Bridge Marketing and FB Chat, Part 1. Welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss the connecting step from the diagram I've shown you in the first video. Now, we will connect to our target market, audience, or prospects by using the technique known as bridge marketing. Bridge marketing is a very simple technique. It's all about customizing your offer for your target market. In other words, you and your offers are on the other side, and your prospects are on the other. The bridge is an effective way to convey your message to the target market. In other words, the more effective your pitch is, the more successful you will be in marketing activities. Now, this is a very simple picture of a bridge where two people are standing on both sides. You can see that one person has a plank, and he's trying to complete the bridge with it, so that the connection can be complete and be more effective. It's similar when it comes to physical marketing, or any marketing for that matter. The more effective is your bridge, the more effective you can convey your message to the target market, the more fruitful your marketing efforts will be. I hope it makes sense to you. If not, it'll make sense in the next portion because I will show you some case studies. Now, in case study number 1, say you are approaching a stay-at-home mom about some make-money online system. Now, you can take two different approaches. If you remember, your target prospect is a stay-at-home mom, so the chance is higher that she doesn't have the technical knowledge or any kind of broad experience about making money online. A simple example is you are making a simple check to that stay-at-home mom and you've asked her how to rank your blog almost instantly, generating you tons of traffic, targeted leads, and sales on complete autopilot. You will teach them all the things. Now, what do you think? What is going to be the outcome? Does it going to have any sense to her? So this is approach number 1. On the other hand, here is approach number 2. We have the same prospect, but we approached her in a different manner. You asked the lady, discover how a complete tech-challenged, a stay-at-home mom of 2 kids makes some money online spending less than 30 minutes every day. So what do you think? What is going to be the more effective pitch? In the first case, we have some technical words which probably is not going to make any sense to the stay-at-home mom because she doesn't have any idea about traffic or blogs. It'll just sound alien to her. On the other hand, if you talk to her about how a complete tech-challenged stay-at-home mom of 2 kids, this is going to connect to her at once. She probably thinks that I have 1 kid and someone with 2 kids is making money online. Then she reads this particular portion that says spending less than 30 minutes every day, which even a stay-at-home mom can spin after all the household chores have been done. What have we done here? We've completed a bridge. We have customized our message to convey it directly to our target market by creating this particular bridge. Let's take another example, which is our case number 2. Now, say for example, you are approaching a network marketer. The first approach is that my company had the best product and comp plan in the entire industry, versus I help network marketers capture more leads and recruit more reps for their business by using simple Facebook techniques. In the full scale, we have given the network marketer the best image, which thousands of others are also claiming all the time. All of them are saying that they have the best product and best comp plan, blah, blah, blah. But on the other hand, if they have taken a bridge approach where they will be helping the person to generate more leads and recruit more reps for his business, who doesn't want to get more people for their business or to get more of what he wants? And it uses simple Facebook techniques. So again, you are creating a bridge, directing them to their own niche or industry. It can immediately connect with the person. So, with these 2 case studies, I'm trying to make you understand how effectively you can create a bridge to convey the message, and more importantly, to connect to your target market. After connecting with people, you can always take an AEIOU approach. On the first portion, we gave some examples by case study by creating a customized bridge marketing messages to create the bridge. But, along with the bridge marketing tips, you can always use the AEIOU approach. Once you have connected with the person, always first use A, which is ask them. Ask them about their biz op and the type of business they are in. Now, the moment you start the conversation asking about his or her business, obviously the person will feel much more connected with you. Everybody wants to talk about their business because that's what interests them. They are your targeted prospects. And then E is for explore. You ask more about the business, their products, the comp plan, and even their success stories. When you do this, they'll feel that you are pinned to listen to their business opportunity, which is also about themselves. I is feel and show that you are interested. You can do this by asking more questions that are just connected or about their business. Then O means offer or opportunity. Now, whenever the right time appears, you've put your bait and your hook out, and then just slip in your offer. Offer your opportunity as a solution to their problem. This is similar to what I always do once I talk to a network marketer for XYZ company. First I ask, followed by explore, then show interest. Then tell them, hey Hank, 2 months back a guy connected with me via Facebook. He's from a similar company as yours. He has some vitamin deals, and in 60 days I actually helped this guy to recruit 15 reps for his business. And guess what? This month he is one of the top honors of his company. What happens once you do this? Number 1, the person felt connected to you. Number 2, when you provide a solution to his problem, he will obviously be open to the opportunity. And then the final portion will appear, which is the you. This means yourself. Once you offer an opportunity to a person, it always leads your business through you. In our industry, we use the Facebook chat recipe method. This is a free method to generate leads and sales. Everybody wants to join a person. Nobody wants to join a company first, or a product, or a comp plan. People join people. If you are in a particular niche of affiliate sales, network marketing, or some kind of MLM business, you're promoting something. Now you lead your business through you. So, how are you going to help a person? By delivering the product to that particular person as a person or leader. So I believe that just makes sense to you. Which brings us to one of the ninja passes, which I'm going to show you live. It's called the edge ranking mechanism. To show that, let me go directly to my Facebook account so I can do it live. Now, I'm inside my Facebook page. This is a very, very secret technique that we use. And once you master this simple trick, you can recruit 10 to 15 people per month for your business. Let's get started. First, let's choose a random friend of mine just for this demonstration. So I'll choose this particular person. Let's go inside his Facebook by just clicking his name or picture, just like that. When you are there, simply go here where it says Friends. As you can see, there are already options showing even without clicking it yet. So let's click on Close Friends. Once I do that, you can see that the check symbol has been converted into a star. What will happen with this ninja trick? This is super awesome, guys. Facebook will now recognize both of us as close friends. So what? All the updates or posts that I put on Facebook will appear on the top position of that person's newsfeed all the time. So whenever he logs into Facebook, he can always see my posts first in his newsfeed, and it happens because we made him as my close friend. This particular thing is so much powerful because we are not approaching that person directly. We're not saying to the guy, hey, come over here, check out my link, or the like. In this scenario, we have used attraction marketing in a sophisticated manner. On the other hand, I can also see his posts at the top of my newsfeed. So imagine if you do this to 100 people. Your updates are going to be seen at the top of those hundreds of people's news feeds. It's like having hundreds of tons of traders in your email list. So what's going to happen if you put real value-oriented updates in your Facebook? They will see it once or twice, and there's going to be a chance that they are going to check it out. Instead of you approaching the person directly through the use of Facebook, you can just do this simple ninja trick, and you can already give value or interest through your posts. And guess what? you can easily start connecting with the person and start recruiting. This is the special trick which I've used to recruit hundreds of people through Facebook, and this is complete ninja. And I believe you will really love this stuff when you start applying it. I have tons of fun making this video, and I hope you enjoy it too, and I'll see you in the next video. Bridge Marketing and FB Chat Part 2. In this video, we'll see some more ninja Facebook chat tips. We'll call this the Facebook or FB chat recipe. So let's go ahead. The first tip, which I want to share with you, is staying focused. It is very simple but a powerful strategy which can absolutely make or break your Facebook marketing business. As a marketer, you have to understand one thing. Time is very valuable. You have to spend a maximum of 30 minutes every day chatting with your target market. In the last video, we've shown you how to connect with your target market and then spend a maximum of 30 minutes chatting with them. Else, this can easily put you out of focus. This was my problem when I started marketing with Facebook for free. I used to spend hours just talking to people and getting connected with them. But you should just be spending a maximum of 30 minutes and then just log out of Facebook. This is not a Facebook rule, but for you to manage your time wisely. Tip number 2. Research your prospect. Do some basic research work on your prospects, like looking at your common friends or whether they have a blog or not. Now, when someone sends a Facebook friend request, the first thing I look at is our mutual friends. If I see that we have some good quality of mutual friends, that's the only time I accept their request. The reason is because it talks a lot about their circle of influence, or the kind of marketers they mingle with. The next thing is, you should always check out if they have a blog or not. Because if they have their personal website or blog, this means that they have this stature or reputation as a marketer. What kind of group is he associated with? Same kind of issue. This helps determine if the prospect is worth your time or not. Because you only have 30 minutes of Facebook time in your hands every day. You should use that time with prospects who are worth your time. FB chat number 3. Use bridge marketing. As we have discussed earlier, use bridge marketing technique to bridge the gap and connect to your target audience immediately and build rapport. Tip number 4. Use effective icebreakers. Check out prospects' common interest areas like sports, books, movies, etc., and use them as effective icebreakers. If you talk to fellow marketers about marketing all the time, or just sending them links and all, some people don't like these. They feel it's some kind of harassment, and some people might even report you to Facebook or unfriend you. So always build rapport by using some icebreakers like, "Oh, I see that you like Rich Dad, Poor Dad," or "I see you like rugby. My favorite team is New Zealand All Black." These are the things that personally interest them. You can talk about these things before talking about the business stuff. Some people don't like to go to the business talk directly, so always use icebreakers. But then again, everyone responds differently. Tip number 5. Use Edge Rank. As shown in the earlier video, always use this Edge Rank mechanism by adding people as your close friends. This actually builds on the rapport with that person. This person is attracted to you as a marketer and is already sold to you before you even start talking to him. Use newsfeed, close friend technique to position yourself effectively. Tip number 6. Answer questions. In any kind of market, some people will have questions. For example, in the internet marketing niche, some people might have technical questions when it comes to getting some screenshots or questions related to putting up their blog. If they ask the question in their newsfeed or to you directly, always answer their questions to build your authority. Your effort or help will never go to waste, as people you help will come back someday to do business with you. Tip number 7. Create your pipeline. This is very, very important. Remember, you can have 5,000 Facebook friends, plus thousands of followers. There are over 1 billion of people on Facebook. There are millions in different target markets. as time is vital for you, and you can only spend a maximum of 30 minutes per day for chatting. Open 10 to 15 chat windows and chat with them simultaneously. I've been using this particular technique for the last few months, and it's very effective. Now, this also helps you boost your confidence because, number one, so many people are in the pipeline, so you always have people to talk to, even if someone leaves you in your conversation. Some prospects might take 5 to 15 minutes before replying, so opening multiple conversations is actually an effective use of your time. And number two, as a marketer, you're able to maintain your posture because you have so many people to chat with. FB chat tip number 8. Send videos. This is completely a ninja trick and works like magic. You don't even have to show your face in the video to do this. You can have screen recording videos by using screen recorders like Camtasia or ScreenFlow. Instead of normal text chat, send your prospect a customized video to answer their question or sharing some cool tips. Also, instead of using a normal text chat, you can use a video selfie introducing yourself. Say, "Hi John, I'm glad to be connected to you here on Facebook. I'm so-and-so from this country. I do this and that," mentioning something the person you're talking to could relate with. "I see we're both interested in building our business." It doesn't have to be a long video. 30 seconds would even suffice. Send it via Dropbox or upload it via YouTube on unlisted mode. Using videos this way will differentiate you to the 99% of marketers out there. You will see the difference in the reaction almost immediately. Everybody wants to talk to a person who's different and sincere, a person who takes his job seriously. And most importantly, FB chat tip number 9. Move to call to action. This is the most crucial step for your success. Now that you have initiated some interaction, built rapport and authority, don't be afraid to send your business-related link. Offer the opportunity or goods that you have to the other person, because who knows, he might just be looking for what you have. In other words, do not be afraid of rejection. Use your bait at the right moment. Remember, you have 5,000 FB friends and growing. You have your Facebook fan page. You have your followers. So you don't have to be afraid. Instead, you should be there building your business with a lot of courage. Bridge Marketing and FB Chat Part 2. I believe these 9 Facebook chat recipes are going to open up your mind about what you could do with Facebook to grow your business without the use of ads. Use these techniques diligently, take action, and apply. I'll see you in the next video.